the set of integers z. Now here you see zn. If you take n equals to 5 here, then you have to take here 5. Okay, z5 is the set of those integers. When you divide these numbers with 5, then what you get? You divide these elements by 5. Then the remainder are these numbers, and these numbers form a group that is called Z5. And from here we get 5. Okay, because here you see that you have to take the elements from Z5. If you take n equals to 5 here, then here will be Z5. So the elements of U5 will be from Z5 with the condition that Rn should be relatively prime. That is one. Okay, so I now construct this group U5. 0 is not taken because you see U groups are multiplicative group. 1, obviously 1 will be taken because 1 and 5 both are relatively prime. 2, yes, 2 and 5 also relatively prime. 3 and 5, okay, and 4 and 5. In the same way, when you go to form this U add group, first you have to write Z add group. Okay, what is the elements of Z add group? Those elements, when you divide these numbers by 8 and you get the remainder, the remainders form Z add group. And now with the help of Z add, we write U8 and 1. Yes, 1 and 8 both are relatively prime. 2 and 8, 2, 8, these two are not relatively prime, so 2 will not be taken. Thereafter 3, and I understand that you understand this. 5, thereafter 7, these 4 elements. Okay, so I have written all U groups that you see in the options. Okay, now we have to say the whether the groups are isomorphic or not. You know, isomorphic groups are equal in the number of elements, but here you see in all there are 4 elements. And one more thing, when you map an element of a group to the element of other group, then these mapped elements, these two elements, have same order. So we find the order. In U5, order of 1, the identity element obviously is 1. Order of 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8. When you divide 8 by 5, you get 3. So you have to multiply further. 8 into 2 is 16, and when you divide 16 by 5, then you get 1. Okay, so order of 2 is 4. Now see the options. Here you see U5 is isomorphic to U8. So let us compare. You see, because here 3 elements are of order 2, but here only 1 element of order 2. So option A is wrong. 10, 12 here you see. You see in U12 there are 3 elements of order 2, but here you don't have 3 elements of order 2. So this B is also wrong.